Feeling hot, all about fever. Fever is when your body gets hotter than usual. Here are some cool things to know about fever. What is it? Fever is your body's way of fighting off germs like viruses and bacteria. When germs get inside your body, your immune system makes your temperature go up to help kill the germs. How do you know if you have a fever? You might feel hot, have a flushed face, and your temperature might be higher than normal. You can check your temperature with a thermometer. How can you feel better? If you have a fever, it's important to rest, drink lots of fluids like water and juice, and stay cool by wearing light clothes. When should you see a doctor? Most fevers go away on their own, but if you have a fever for a long time, or if you feel really sick, it's a good idea to see a doctor. They can help you feel better and make sure you're okay. So if you ever have a fever, remember that it's your body's way of fighting off germs, and with some rest and care, you'll be feeling better in no time.